All of my friends call me BNS, oh, oh. Oh. I know I'm gonna win some, and I'm surely gonna lose some too. See, but I've got my mind on this, yeah. Give me something, make I hold on to, yeah.
Why are you stepping out?
Yeah, I was just making a call.
Oh, okay. Anyway.
Hello. Yeah, a minute here. I'll get back to you later.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, sweetheart. Oh, you look good.
Thank you. Anyway,
Why?
as I was saying before, today I had to come and see you so that we conclude with our conversation.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, tell me, what is it about?
I told you about my cousin.
Yeah, okay. Oh, I remember now.
Yeah. So she's planning of taking me to her place to stay there and at least finish up with my degree course. Yeah. And I think it's a good idea. What do you think?
It sounds good, but on the other side, it sounds bad.
Why are you saying bad?
God,
She's going to help me to finish with my degree course.
the reason why I'm saying it sounds bad to me that I'm not going to see you again.
Oh, come on. That's not an issue. That's not a problem.
You know what?
Like, you should be happy for me.
You know, when you say, you don't be brave. So what I say. And I call you know, Hame said the BNB Ubia Kojo from in same and answer like, oh, maybe I how. So what I say, you know, did I make us say it sounds bad?
Oh,
though it's a
this
good
doesn't
idea.
cause for alarm. You know, if I would do something bad like that, I would have done it way back. But not now. I wouldn't do anything to hurt you. So just feel free. I'm just thinking about my education, myself, my future, and then you. Aside that, nothing else. Okay?
I understand you. But what I gotta tell you is that as you are going right now, you gotta take good care of yourself.
I will.
So that like Uncle this our boys here, you know, being funny can't be so what
You don't trust me.
No, it's not about I don't trust you. I trust you, but I need to advise you.
Okay.
So what I say,
I got
you
you.
are come and sit down so I'm a no. The person from the corner, I say, me could be maybe a chino be the car be that down so when a compasana medi yakakra.
I get it. I
I'm
get
so
it.
quite you know, we hope for the better. Say, Yamin cow now, be and see you.
Amen. That's all that we can do.
Remember, we could the car be named boys be a cheap.
I hear you.
You're
Talking about boys. Like,
I have to repeat it because girls nowadays, it's so free. I could minim the ABC. And I'm minim the air.
She could try you. Maybe
you know,
I love you.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
So what's up? Where are you going to?
Me, I was just trying to step out to me Friday or them umbrella.
Okay, I wanted to go home first. So
okay. Yeah.
Maybe when you're done, you come home.
All right. Okay.
Sure. So see you later.
Okay.
Bye.
I say, this is one I see you, Mamma come, but a piano and I had a bunny strap. I had to be baby.
I'm a tea, no, don't make a say.
Why? What's to be more quiet for become Safa?
Or General made me do the piano on the call.
The Median is saying one would the boss of Pian is saying one would.
Share. What do you mean, Madame?
Dear Hannah, me, so mammy did answer what I say. Dear Hannah, me, so I'm a fool to a bomber.
I don't know, my dear May. Her chain, come away, say, or really cool me the moon. My first no could be a accountant.
I'm the other room. I need one me feel you. Hey, I'm a feeling. Someone I feel. What do you say? Gosh. Obiama, so Biamaya. Yenako, Ibiana, Madame, Ibiana, Madame, show. So what does it? How are you? Hey, there's a party. Maria, my name if you have me about me. I didn't let that time sing. Some fun margin.
my friends call me BNS.
Oh, thank you so much. I didn't know you were a good cook, you know?
Oh, I told you that as for cooking, I'm always the best. Yeah.
You did so well with your gravy stew. I loved it anyway.
Yeah.
As you already know, I'll be going this evening, and then I had to come and say a goodbye to you before I leave. That's why I'm here.
Oh, that sounds so good, and I'm so happy for you too.
Sure.
My father said the be future no e be see intina asem so me ye dey be ma okwan ama wako.
Sure.
Yeah, yes, I did. Well, you say come in prince. Na kwa ukoi. Miss so. Shasuna the see when you say o kwa koye no.
Okay.
So. Na emblem. Ekoye maybe I am fata. Maybe just never catch her the last time.
Baby, only make us forget about baby, because you won't see me there. So just relax. I said, why you fear? You're so fearful with that aspect of a mama. Put those fear and panic away.
I fear because only fear to do. And I'm a dog.
Please tell me.
Like Obepel. Me fancy you. It's not me cancer. I said.
Anyway, thank you for the compliment, but there is nothing of that sort going to happen.
Right.
So feel free. I'm going there focused. I'm going there to just go and then look for something for my future and for us.
That sounds
so
good. If you say so, then I'm always going to be happy,
Thank you, baby.
But don't remember to call me when you get there. I
shouldn't remember to call you.
You have to call me.
Okay, so I shouldn't forget to call you.
Yeah, don't forget to call me.
Okay.
Yeah, as soon as you get there, just give me a call, okay? I love you, baby.
Love you too. Okay, so see me.
Day or day, make a day, my day. No, they think of trying, it's a felony. Start this thing, no be today.
Yes, I've told you several times. So glass I'll dish you wine. You're nice. They catch the last time. But two wine glasses, nice ones are bad. Yes, you need a proper training. You need a home proper training.
Sure. Next time with it in my bed.
That's another why?
Yes.
So we are not defending.
Yeah, she said your baby. And I will use it so dear, but bye. Cheers.
Good luck.
So far, you see, when you're Boba Fee, the Becca and say, free. The episode will be a tonight. They have to share you.
Thank you so much.
Now, but I see when you see here. A man with the free baby, I will buy a focus one. At the end of the day, it was when you're on my side crowd. We didn't influence them.
Thank you.
Are they your men? No. You be a banner kitchen side there. Yes, how a banner bontiers swap. House of get mine so compact BBR on catching of a inside us BBR so by you the answer over there go school today. Why?
That's fine. So they may have some time. You just feel free. If you are here, just let us know. You will provide them. All we want to see is what's my passing exams. And only idea you're looking forward to it.
Yeah.
That's why I say we want to give you a better future. So the be so you know better now so not. So dear, the being I just got a stage. Just call us. Okay. You be
Thank you so much.
So be so bother wa catch you. Because meaning say me get man and I go on super. Say the beginning na so even when engine one they catch you. Why? The assassin they do pay be said on the body city no. When you dey pay be obey am money age. When you can catch you be sama. Thank you so much.
Oko diasa.
Nah, okay. Sabe when you talk catch you say so this say say obo.
Ala there's a going to be between.
Za
Yeah, I'm saying, make sure you program me. No, make sure I had a movie. I don't want to say. No, say I wish you. I need to talk to 5. And I say, hey, I don't know. What's
I know the question is second.
I can't do it.
What kind of question? That's what I said to. That's fine, just by the way.
Thank you so much for
It's fine.
love you showed to
I mean,
me.
what are sisters for?
appreciate it.
What are sisters for?
God wish you best.
Amen.
The one go for the let's say me
I'll do my best to learn very hard
yes,
and to make you guys proud.
That's the most important thing.
Madachi and go for show so bobla.
Yeah.
And go show be so bobla. Oh, yes, I will lie. Oh, let me go for show so bobla.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Cheers.
Once again.
Devil them not know, say them figure you did lose. Fools be putting hexes on we, but we still did tend to taking the lead.
We say, baby, baby say, wow, cat, dear. One can say, we be down our life. Na ka me yema ana de onfo ni kura hu bi da na ka me jene poso de ma
Babe, na say every year be how bibi mama and I'm okay with it. Tinti ada na fe de obebusa me say, babe, dey feel akoma bia pese o yema me bia.
no mayama wa me a ma feel ba kuma mayama wa but at this time dey me pese wan kasa wu em fa ho ni ba bia wo request em fa ho ni de pese me ye bia me pese wan te feel lumba
Babe, we sure.
yeah after a minute
The only be mama da.
yes wan kasa wu mu no fin say wan kasa kura o yes sorry ni be that our life just tell me
They're more expensive down.
yes
Okay.
yama wali beje
Yeah.
yama wali beje just tell me
Teresa!
what
Teresa.
Teresa what do you know Teresa
Babe, come on, name Teresa.
I'm confused
And babe say like a mommy and Bema Bakuna.
and now open up
Babe, me be that.
o birthday and
Because me be that.
really
Yes, really.
wow and now yama wali beje okay are you sure
Maybe I'm going to need to forget it.
how
I'm going to need to just forget it.
Sam
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure because you have found call Dubai because I'm not see there.
Babe, I said Dubai, dear. I mean, more times ahead.
Okay.
It's been when baby. I also me started planning for birthday. I also me Freddie obey cake. No, mum bought the cool.
Okay.
I also me friends be on castle baba boy day. I also me call wine shop to support wines.
Yeah. So
And you know, I have to leave you for now. Okay.
yeah.
All right. I'm coming. Okay.
Take your bag.
Babe, just to go.
What? Okay. Listen. And then the point to work as a tell me idea. Who be there and I'm young one by the house. Listen. I'm anyone to make that zone. This was your good lady. You did evidence with your lord. Serious. I said, you do what listen more. But listen, because I know now be feeling. Me, Anna. What can I say? Anyway. You're not going to do it.
And tell me who the fuck's gonna stop this, cause I'm forcing.